Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing hominy corn porridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So to my pressure cooker, I will go in and add some water, and then I'm going to go in and add my hominy corn. I like to go ahead and wash my corn nicely before I pressure it. So I went ahead, run it under some cold water at least twice, and then I'm going to add it to my pressure cooker. Then I'm going to go in and add some brown sugar, and I will also go in and add all of my spices, and basically all of my spices in my nutmeg, my cinnamon powder and some mixed spice, and I will also add some salt, combine all of that goodness together, and then I'm going to cover it and pressure it for roughly about 20 minutes. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local farmer's market, and of course, you get most of these items that I'm using today. Just a reminder guys, you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today, and you can always go ahead and let me know what's your favorite porridge. If you're a lover of hominy corn porridge, you can let me know. Cornmeal porridge, plantain porridge, banana porridge, just let me know in the comment section. So this is it after 20 minutes, nice and soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in, of course, and add my coconut milk. Now, if you do have the authentic coconut milk at home, you can always go ahead and use it. I will also go in and add some flour that I add to some water and allow it to just dissolve nicely, and that will help to just thicken my porridge nicely. Once you add all of that goodness, what you want to do, you just want to allow your porridge to cook nicely, but you always want to ensure that you mix nicely because you don't want your porridge to have too much lumps. So just a reminder guys, like I said, I added some of my flour to the mixture. And of course, you want to ensure that you allow that flour to cook nicely and also that coconut milk. Remember, you can always go ahead and taste just in case you want to add a little bit more sugar or you want to add some more spices. So once I add the flour mixture, of course, I'm just going to combine everything together nicely. And of course, I'm going to turn on my stove on medium heat. I don't want it to be too high. So like I said, you have to ensure that you combine everything together nicely. So once my porridge is finished cooking, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. And we're also going to go ahead and sweeten and serve this up nicely. If you have a piece of bread at home, you can always go ahead and serve up bread on the side, or you can always go ahead and add some crackers. Whatever you have at home, it works perfect. So now that my porridge is finished cooking, we're going to go ahead and start sweetening. Of course, I'm going to add some of my vanilla flavoring. And once I add the vanilla flavoring, just combine all of that goodness together. As you can see, my porridge is thick and nice and not too thick because we don't want our porridge to be too thick, all right? And then I'm going to go in and add my condensed milk. As you can see at the beginning, I added some sugar, so that helps with the sweetness of my porridge and also to give my corn some flavor. So you can always go ahead and add any amount of condensed milk that you want to add, but you always want to ensure that you taste and you don't over sweeten your porridge. So once you add the condensed milk, Combine all of that goodness together, and then you just go ahead and serve up your porridge nicely. So in a few minutes, we're gonna go ahead and serve this up nicely. Alright guys, so this is it, the final product of my amazing hominy corn porridge. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing porridge. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 10k subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.